Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. I'm going to keep you updated daily on the news that moves the markets, Bitcoin technical analysis, altcoin setups to help you make some profits. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin. What is it, a $7,000 sell-off? $7,000. What do we do when the dips make you sick, when they make you ill? Man. Bulls need to hold here. Obviously didn't happen. So had a potential falling wedge. But when these break lower, you get parabolic moves to the downside. Now, RSI is oversold. You know, there's some bounce ideas popping up here. These are your support levels. Over here, you can just pause the video. I'm going to zoom out. We're going to look at the 4-hour chart in just a second. Remember, you got to scale into these dips, right? Scale in. Be smart about it. Now, this is the 4-hour chart. Bulls needed a bounce to hold this major trend line. This major trend line. Well, guess what? It's not closed yet. This candle still has an hour and a half left. But you can see long wick came down here, 27,600. Bulls are trying to buy it up. Bulls are trying to push the price higher. So again, all eyes on Bitcoin. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person said, bro, I don't think you understand what you've done for my life. I've made 32 Ethereum today. So he had one trade where he was up $10,000. And then another trade, this is his 10x long on Ethereum. And he was up 25,000 pounds. And I just said, geez, I can't even tell you how awesome that is. This person, if you remember, he came into the group, he was down 1 Bitcoin. When he came in the group, Bitcoin wasn't what it is now. But anyways, he was down 1 Bitcoin, and he turned it around, almost $48,000 profits since he joined the group. Plus, the Bitcoin that he was down, he made back. You did this for me, mate. If I ever go to the United States, I'm going to shake your hand. Listen. Crypto meetup, crypto cruise is going to happen. Bull run ready. Let's get this bull. Let's grind it out. Let's make this life-changing money. And let's just freaking hang out and travel the rest of our lives, period. This person said, hey, Chris, thanks for the life-changing money trade ideas. Take a look at this one. He had an ETH long. He 23x'd his money. If you are tired of working for the man and you want to do something different, if you're tired of the rat race, driving, sitting in traffic, stop working for the man and start learning to trade this market. It will change your life just like it did mine. There's no way I could possibly ever work for somebody else again. Life-changing money. Go to my website, cryptorev.net. all the information to sign up. Right now, if you sign up, you pay in crypto for 6 months or 12 months, you get 50% off. Huge gains in the trading group. This ETH pullback was crazy. This is BUSD, right? BUSD. I woke up randomly, and ETH was at like $1,200, I think, or close to it, you know? And immediately I'm like, Binance app, got my PureVPN installed. I'm ready. I'm like taking profits. I see Ethereum up 45%. I'm like, dude, this is not sustainable. I might have missed the top. I did pretty well. I mean, it could have kept going. Definitely took some Ethereum profits. Now I'll look to buy back and increase my Ethereum bag, right? But you can see this BUSD chart on Binance drop down to 898. 898. There's not as much liquidity here, and you had this massive $100 wick to the downside. Again, PureVPN, 86% off. If you want to use Binance, you can use PureVPN. And yeah, tons of liquidity, great exchange. Links are in the description. This is the Ethereum chart. And you can see Ethereum is clearly lagging. This is Bitcoin. So you got Ethereum's all-time high, Bitcoin's all-time high. Bitcoin's broken above its all-time high, right? Has this huge move to the upside. Ethereum is lagging. Ethereum's down here. When Ethereum gets to a similar type level as Bitcoin, I mean, you're looking at $2,500 Ethereum. So now, what do? The dips that make us sick and ill, the dips that scare you, we buy those dips. So, you know, when you're looking for entry, we're going to talk about that for Ethereum in just a second. But just know the upside, the potential here with Ethereum is huge. Bitcoin pullbacks are part of it. This is nothing abnormal. This is something that we've been looking for. Again, $7,000 pullback at this point. This is our Ethereum setup. I gave this to you guys on YouTube. Buy the breakout of this level. 773 target, smashed it. Came back down, retested. Look, guys, this is the retest. This is where the money happens. The magic happens. This retest, right? The strongest group of buyers sitting right there, and then Ethereum just takes off. This is the measured move, 835. And I talked to you yesterday about these other targets with Ethereum, but then you can see Ethereum just freaking skyrocketed. Now you get this blow off top. Look at this massive wick. So what happens is, so along this way, you've got sellers selling against the buyers, right? You got buyers and sellers. But then what happens is the buyers flip and they say, oh crap, we're going to start taking profits now. So then your buyers become sellers, and you get these massive sell-offs. You get these massive long wick reversals, these blow-off tops, right? Parabolic runs end with these. So now you got this pullback. You can see pulled back down as low as 890 and now trying to bounce here. So Ethereum got rejected at the 2618 fib level right here. This person stated the gas fees on Uniswap are so high, it's $180 to get out of a trade. He said, Chris, do you know any other ways to get out of these coins that are not on exchanges? And this is the problem with decentralized exchanges and Ethereum. And Ethereum network gets clogged up. And like DEXs, we're just not quite there yet, but we will be. Be patient. DEXs are going to change everything. Here's the ADA setup. I gave you this to you guys yesterday. Must buy these altcoins. 13,000 people saw this video. 13,000 buy this breakout of this level at about 19 cents, right? ADA, boom, moved to the upside. 25% gains, nailed the upper target perfectly, and then sold off. Then came down here. Here we are, retest. This is the retest. The bulls are showing up to buy up this dip. ADA. Killing it. This is Vechain. Does this look familiar? Should. There's 13,000 people that saw this yesterday. Vechain. Buy the breakout of this level. Amazing. Cup and handle. Amazing. Look at Vechain. Boom. 24% gains. I mean, you just traded these ADA and Vechain, so you're up 50%. Boom. Life changing. In a day. Where do they do that at? In any other market? Tell me. Vechain, Came down here, and now you got a retest. Here's your possible retest. Now this has to hold. If you get a successful retest, there could be some more upside for Vechain. Zilliqa, here's the setup for today. And this not necessarily break out immediately, but Zilliqa apparently didn't get the Bitcoin sell-off memo. Look at this chart. Like, it just really didn't pull back nearly as bad as some of these altcoins. Zilliqa will have an amazing move to the upside, right? We're looking for 8.5 cents, almost 10 cents, 11 cents, 12 cents, 13 cents, okay? So now Zilliqa, keep an eye on this bull flag. Life-changing money. Bitcoin dominance, so we're looking for this pullback. We talked about it yesterday. We need Bitcoin dominance to get rejected. These altcoins will fire up, and these altcoins were taking off. And then, obviously, Bitcoin pulled back. People took profits. No one lost money. Everybody took your money. You do not lose money in this market. Other people take it. Bitcoin dominance, I really want to drive this point home. When you see Bitcoin dominance pull back, altcoins light up like you've never seen. I bet you're looking at your Ethereum and you're thinking $1,150, almost $1,200 Ethereum. Are you serious? Bitcoin dominance, boom, move to the downside. Altcoins light up. Keep an eye on this chart. Just Google Bitcoin dominance Tradingview. Crypto Whale reveals top altcoin picks. Essentially what he talks about is SNX, and I agree that SNX synthetics, he thinks it's going to trade above $24 this year. Let's go to the setup. I had it listed, or I had it posted in the trading group, and you can see clearly it broke out, ran up here from 850 to 1050, right? Solid profits, probably 25% profits here. Now pullback. Look, here's the retest. What do? Buy breakouts, we buy retests. Now this has to hold, right? This has to hold. Bitcoin needs to, the bulls need to hold this level. Bulls need to show up here. So this is not like, hey, buy now. This is, hey, be smart about it. If you don't know how to trade this market and you want to look and you want to learn how to enter these setups and these understand breakouts and retests, I can help you. I can show you. I've taught thousands of people how to trade this market. This is big news for Ethereum. Ethereum's layer 2 scaling solution. Scaling is very important. We know that. This is called Optimism. Plans to release its preliminary mainnet on January the 15th. Right? So just remember, this is the first trial run. And it's going to be with, wait for it, decentralized exchange protocol synthetics. SNX. Here it is. SNX, top pick by this guy. But we picked it first because we've been trading this guy for a while, right? SNX is involved with Ethereum and layer 2 scaling. Put this on your radar. Crypto whales shifted a whopping $1.26 billion in Bitcoin as Bitcoin broke above $34,000. Most important part here is anytime you can see these exchange inflows, you can really have a good idea what's about to happen in the market. If you see all these large Bitcoin accounts moving their Bitcoin to exchanges, like, you just have to think, why are they buying altcoins or are they taking profits, right? So just be mindful of that. Bitcoin market is a bubble. It's a bubble. It's in a bubble phase. This economist on CNBC says, well, you know what? Let's ride this bubble. Let's ride. Yeah, I mean, it's ballooning. It's taking off. It's parabolic price action. It's not sustainable. There's going to be pullbacks just like we're experiencing. But the upside is life-changing. Don't forget it. Michael Saylor comes out and says there's $250 trillion worth of assets that are looking for the ideal store of value. And Bitcoin is a prime candidate. That's the thing. You're going to see so many more institutions moving their assets into Bitcoin over the long term, that Bitcoin's upside parabolic price action is going to continue. These dips are part of it, right? Buy the dips that make us ill, right? You got to be smart. Dollar cost average, don't
throw all your money in at one. Always keep money on the sidelines. Like, there's a process to this. Increase your buys. Buy $1,000. Buy, if it heads lower, buy $2,000. Buy $4,000. Buy $8,000. Keep buying. Don't start buying too early. You'll run out of money and potentially get wrecked. So be smart about this. Like, these techniques are things we talk about on a regular basis. If you guys like the content that I provide on a regular basis, subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.